What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller, Emmy's car, and Emmy back here with another video. Today we're going to be working on her car, test fitting the wheels again with the spacers since they have the tires on them, holding up the kit, and basically getting her car ready for alignment. But we just need to get this thing ready, so after it's aligned, all she has to do is paint it and put the kit on and we'll be good to go. So without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. Alright y'all, this is what we are working with so far. We are gonna have to raise the front a little bit, I'm assuming, because right now it's a little raked, but we'll get it even, and that should be plenty high enough so that the kit sits low, but it will not get destroyed after it's been painted. I'm getting ready to tape on the side skirt so we can see what we're looking at, and then we're gonna jack it up, put on the spacers, and see what we're working with. Emmy did get these cute little rose. What are they, roses?
No, they're I think they're cherry blossoms.
Cherry blossoms? Okay. But cute little
from Moonlight Slide is their Instagram.
valve stem caps, and I'll let you guys see another one over here. Yo, it's always the little things. Where'd you say they were from?
Moonlight Slide on Instagram.
Moonlight Slide. Do they have other? This isn't sponsored, by the way. I just think they're cool.
They have like a million different designs and literally like a ton of colors. And she was super nice and sent some free license plate bolts too. I didn't even ask her. She just was like, here you go.
Hell yeah. Well, I'm gonna dive into this and then we will be test fitting everything. All right, so right now we have the kit just sitting on the car, and it's probably 2-3 inches in the rear, and probably like 1 or 2 in the front.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys can see that, but the goal is to raise the car just a little bit to make both of those even. You guys can see this will be similar to the front height. I just wanted to make sure that the front bumper was not all the way on the ground after paint. But this gives us a good idea of what we're working with. You like it?
Yeah.
Keep in mind, there is a little drop off right here on the concrete, so it'll be a lot closer to the ground even after we've raised the front of the car a little bit. And lastly, here's what we're working with the rear bumper. This will drop a little bit lower when we raise up the front. It'll be level. It's gonna be awesome. This will also fit a lot better once it's actually attached to the car. Now that you guys have seen that, and now that I know what we're looking for height wise and fitment wise, we are going to raise the front of the car, raise the coils, and then put on her wheels and spacers. Let's do it. All right, so we're working with about 1.5 inches of threads up front now. We're gonna test fit this with the stock and just make sure the front and rear of the car will be even. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, so now that this is on the ground, let's check front and rear fitment.
Why is it so high?
Because we just raised the front.
It's not even gonna be low.
All right, so this is what we are working with the kit. As you guys can see, the front will be even with the back. That's pushed up a little bit higher than it will be because I can't hold it the second. But we're gonna measure the threads on this coil and match it to the other side. I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have now matched this side as well. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are enjoying the video. real quick, go down, drop a like, drop a comment, and be sure you guys are subscribed. Back to the video. Last thing we are doing is we're gonna test fit the wheels and the spacers to see what we'll be working with when the kit is on at this height. Obviously the fenders do still need to be rolled. That will happen before she actually runs these. So let's toss them on, and I'm excited to see how they're gonna fit. So you ready? Let's do it. Alright, so here are the wheels on with the spacers. Let's see, obviously she needs to get this fender rolled, but that is super close to where we want it. Obviously once it'll settle, if we lower the rear or the front, just add a little bit of camber, that looks super good. That's flush. You like it? What are your thoughts? This is your car, so what do you think?
It's weird to see it. I don't like it yet. I really hate it right now, actually.
It'll definitely come together with the kit and wheels and paint and everything on it. Front wheels turned a little bit, so it is not going to poke this much. She might switch to a 25 in the front instead of a 30. Clearance looks awesome, so like a 20 or 25 up front might work a little bit better. But let's go get the kit, set it up again, and see what it looks like. Oh my god. This is gonna look so good. So here's like a little before, right? Give you guys a little before action. You coming around front. By the way, I told you guys there's a ledge right here. It'll be lower, don't worry about it. Oh my god. I don't even, Emmy, thoughts now that the kit's on it. Super.
Okay, everything that I was mean to about the fitment, I take it back.
It's gonna look.
It does need some dialing in a little bit, and I think we'll, figure that out. Like lower my car, raise it up a little bit.
Different spacers in the front. Oh my god, this looks really good. I love the rear fitment. Yeah, this, once you get this in the front, is gonna be so good.
I need to paint my car already.
Yeah, what the hell?
Dude, and also, I really love the spoiler with,
yes,
like, it's
with the
such
kit.
A nice little accent.
It goes together so well.
It'll look good with my, I can't say yet, but the rear end will look very good. Yeah?
Hell yeah. I'm super excited. Look at this thing. Dear God.
14-year-old me is screaming right now. Actually, I'm like very
20-year-old me is screaming right now too.
Yeah.
Well, guys, good. It has been a very, very productive day. Now we know what we have to dial in, what we have to work on to get this where she wants it before paint. So I am super happy with how this is looking so far. All right, so this right here gives us a great idea of what this is going to look like after it's back from paint. Get everything on the car. It is going to look awesome. Emmy's car also gives us a great idea of how this car is going to look with the kit and the wheels on it, which I've not told you guys about yet. I found a kit, 650 bucks shipped, KBD, Deuce, BN, whatever style, same style, fiberglass, 650 bucks shipped for this car. That's coming up so soon. And then the wheels, 15 by 10, -25. So we have so much coming up for both cars. I'm trying to catch up to Emmy right now, but we're gonna be cruising along. There are gonna be 2 of these little go-karts kitted out in the driveway, and it's gonna be so great. So anyways, guys, I don't think we have a whole lot left to do this evening for this video. We're gonna clean this up and we're gonna call it a day, but hang in here, guys. I cannot wait to see this all put together. All right, guys, well, this has been Fitz, Emmy, say goodbye.
Bye.
And her beautiful car back here with another video. Like I said earlier in the video, be sure you guys are subscribed and go drop a comment right now. Let me know if you guys are excited to see this car as I am. So this has been Fitz Miller. We'll see you guys in the next one.